Hello. Welcome to the City Council's virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Hello, I'd like to request a change of address.
Perfect. Please provide some information to complete the request. Let's start with your personal information. Please let me know your first and last name.
Henry Smith,
Could you tell me your current address?
420 College Street, Greenville.
Could you give me your phone number?
786-486-6258.
Could you tell me your email address?
henry.smith@gmail.com.
Perfect. I have all your personal information. To complete the change of address request, would you like to attach any documents, such as a current rental agreement or property deed?
Yes, I'm attaching a valid rental agreement.
Thank you. Please also attach a copy of your ID to validate the application.
Yes, here you go.
Very well, I already have all the necessary documents. I'll show you the completed form for your review. Is everything correct? If so, please confirm submission.
Yes, everything is correct.
Perfect. Your application is sent. Here is your receipt for processing. Thank you for using the City Council's virtual support service. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.